This is Mr. Beck Does Your Homework. This is AP Physics, homework 9.3, question number 7. At distance r from a point charge q, the electric potential is 800 volts. So I know that my V is 800 volts. I don't know q, and I don't know r. The magnitude of the electric field is 309 newtons per coulomb. So I know that E equals 309 newtons per coulomb. Determine the value of Q. The Coulomb constant is. Answer in units of coulombs. So I know V is 800 volts, and I know that V is KQ over R. My electric field, 309 newtons per coulomb, I know that my E is going to be KQ over R squared. So I know E, I know K, I don't know Q, and I don't know R. So one way to solve this is use this formula. I know V, I know K, I don't know Q or R, but I could solve for Q in terms of R. And here it's E is KQ over R squared. The fancy way of doing this would be to know that I've got R and Q, and I don't care about R. So if I solve this formula for R, I get R equals KQ over V. Over here I've got R squared, but I can rearrange. I can get R squared equals KQ over E. So that means that R equals the square root of KQ over E. Well, if R equals KQ over V and R equals the square root of KQ over E, then I know that KQ over V is going to equal square root of KQ over E. So now I can do some math over here. I can square both sides. So I get K squared Q squared over V squared equals KQ over E. And now I can see that I've got a KQ over here and a K squared Q squared over there. I know that this K and the Q are going to cancel out with one of those, so I can just divide by KQ basically. So I have KQ over V equals 1 over E. So if I want to solve this for Q, I'll have Q equals V squared over K times E. So that is the fancy schmancy way of getting to the right answer. The other way to do it would not be a way to do it because you don't know. You can get this in terms of R and then plug it into this one. You're going to wind up getting the same thing. So if V is KQ over R, and you know V and you know K, you can kind of get the ratio of Q to R. And you can kind of plug it in here, and then you've got another R. So that's kind of a mess. This is the nice way of doing it.